And we're getting you breaking news. This is a fresh development in connection with the gold from the Dwarapalaka idols that were missing from the Sabarimala temple, and this is the gold that has been found. Now, this has been recovered from the house of the relative of one of the sponsor. The sponsor was Unni Krishnan Potti. The Vigilance Department now, after this finding, will be submitting a report to the Kerala High Court. There were irregularities that came to light recently after there were allegations that gold plating cover was in fact taken to Chennai for carrying out repair works, allegedly by flouting all procedures. The Kerala High Court subsequently found that the weight of the gold-plated copper cover came down by about more than 4 kgs after it was taken to Chennai for gold plating in the year 2019. Now, this is a big development in the case. My colleague Arpita is joining us on this broadcast. Arpita, the latest development says that after the Kerala High Court had ordered a probe in this case, after there were allegations of irregularities, now the gold has been found. These plates that went missing, they have been found. What more do we know about the person from whom this has been now recovered?
Well, so the court initially had found out that about 4.5 kgs of gold was missing from Dwarapalaka gold idol. So the court had ordered Travancore Devasam Board Vigilance Department to carry out an investigation, after which now they have found that the pedestal, gold pedestal, has been found from sponsor Unni Krishnan Potti's relative's house. Now, this comes amid in 2019, this Unni Krishnan had sponsored gold plating idols to Sabarimala shrine, and later he had suggested, in fact he had said that he had given an extra pedestal which was missing, and then the investigation went on. That is when the court also found out that about 4.5 kgs of gold was missing. Later in this investigation, now the Vigilance Department has found out that this Unni Krishnan Potti, who claimed that the gold was missing, the gold plate has been found from his house itself, in fact his relative's house itself. What the Devasam Board President and Minister is saying is that they suspect conspiracy because they tried to put the blame on the Devasam Board. The sponsor had tried to put the blame on the Devasam Board, but now with this gold plating being found from his relative's house, he suspects, the Devasam Board suspect that this is all part of a conspiracy. In fact, Devasam President also said that
Arpita, what was the kind of conspiracy that the board was indicating? Now that there has been a recovery made from one of the relatives of the sponsor itself, does the conspiracy charge fall flat?
So what the Devasam Board was saying is that all these allegations and all of the court order came just ahead of Ayyappa Sangamam, Global Ayyappa Sangamam, that the Devasam Board along with Kerala government was hosting. So the Devasam Board is claiming that they wanted to destroy the glory of the Ayyappa Sangamam. That was the conspiracy that the Devasam Board is saying, because of which this sponsor was claiming all of this, and the Devasam Minister and President is saying that he had kept this gold with him, but because he wanted to tarnish Devasam Board's image, he had done all of these allegations.
I want you to stay with us, Arpita.